If you want more visual appeal in your home's various rooms, you may want to take up the hobby of wall decorating. This involves adding art to the walls or incorporating paint colors that match the design theme of the room. Here are a few techniques or hacks you can use for motivation, whether you're decorating the walls when you renovate a room in the house or preparing for a special occasion. Idea 1. Decorative kitchen ideas. You'll likely spend lots of time in your kitchen, so you'll want an attractive space for preparing food, taking care of household tasks, or welcoming guests. If you like the farmhouse decor scheme, walls with a gingham pattern work well. Cast iron skillets or wood cutting boards hanging on the walls add a rustic touch without painting the walls. Match the hue of the walls with your curtains or tablecloths so the kitchen will look especially inviting and uniform. You can also add a backsplash made of mosaic glass or metal for a modern touch. Idea 2. Bathroom decor tricks. Decorate the bathroom by selecting a monochromatic color scheme, which makes the area especially tranquil. If you've selected green for the bathroom, choose a darker green as an accent wall color. You can add thick stripes to make the area look a little larger. If you prefer a warmer color like coral or dusty rose, pair this shade with bronze or gold by painting the paneling and using metallic accessories to bring the decorative theme together. Idea 3. Home office decor tricks. If you're working from home, it's essential that you have an organized space that motivates you in completing important tasks. Paint the wall panels in shades like blue or green. These colors indicate trustworthiness or growth, respectively. The panel color can coordinate with your office chair, area rug, or electronics, so the space will look more uniform. Use a lighter shade of the paneling color for the walls so you can bring the entire look together. Rustic pieces like clocks or bookshelves give the office a polished feel that may motivate you while you work. Idea 4. Nursery wall art ideas. If you're welcoming a new bundle of joy into your family soon, a nursery with a decorative wall will make your baby's new space more inviting. Colors like gold or blue are great for the nursery area. You may prefer lighter blue hues like powder blue or robin's egg, which gives the room a softer feel. Gold wall paneling or crib bedding adds sophistication in the nursery, but still keeps the space age-appropriate. Nursery decor in black or white is another appealing choice. Bedding in these hues, an accent wall in black or white stripes, and small items like a metal frame on the wall with the baby's first picture or your maternity photo can make the space complete. For a nursery that has a softer look, try a flower mural for the accent wall. You can paint the baby's name inside the mural. You can keep the mural on the wall as your little one grows or update the bedding or area rugs so they match the colors of the flowers. A large stencil is best if this will be a DIY project, so you can ensure that the flowers are the right shape and size. Idea 5. Christmas wall art ideas. Adding some holiday cheer on the walls can put everyone in the Christmas spirit. Add a wreath on the door with holly leaves, garland, or candy canes so the outdoor area will look more festive. Use the wreath design inspiration so you'll get a feel for how you want the walls to look. Wallpaper in red and/or white stripes make the accent wall look like a candy cane. Use a large stencil so you can draw your family's initial in the center of the wall or a holiday-themed word like joy or Noel. Jewel tones are also ideal when it comes to holiday decorating. An accent wall in hues like ruby red, hunter green, or unconventional Christmas colors like deep purple or turquoise. Use metallic shades like bronze or silver for paneling, or add metallic garland over the walls. This decorating trick works for the area near the fireplace or Christmas tree. You can avoid painting the entire wall by using holiday-themed wallpaper to bring your seasonal theme together. Idea 6. Dining room art decorating ideas. The dining room is one of the areas in your home where people gather often. You can make the space inviting by adding a fresh coat of paint to all the walls or choosing an accent wall. For the entire dining room, muted red or orange shades are ideal since these colors indicate happiness and hunger but can be overwhelming in bright tones. Use a stencil or small paintbrush so you can create an original design like the word gather or give thanks in fancy writing. Or draw a food-related image like a horn of plenty or fruit bowl. The decor on the walls can coordinate with the table and chair decoration, especially if you're using the dining room space for hosting guests during the holidays or a special occasion. Add a flower arrangement in the center of the table that matches the walls. You can also change the hue of the walls or flower arrangements depending on the season. Idea 7. Girls' bedroom decor ideas. As your little girl grows, she'll likely want a change of scenery in the bedroom that reflects her favorite colors, themes, or characters while she's living there. If your daughter is interested in fashion or beauty, add a mirror in the room with border lights for more visual appeal. Hues that look great on the walls like purple, pink, or neon shades work well for girls who like a flashy or attention-getting design scheme. These colors are ideal for an accent wall because they pair well with neutral colors. Wall decor that features your daughter's favorite celebrities or cartoon characters personalize the bedroom as well. Large decals added on the wall personalize the room. You can easily remove them when your daughter changes her design aesthetic. Adding the art behind the bed lessens the chances that your little one will break the decals, portraits, or mirrors. It's important that you watch out for decorating mistakes. For instance, don't use colors that are too dark for the walls unless you're painting a decorative accent wall. If you don't think you want the color on the walls permanently, use wallpaper that is easily removable so that changing the look of the area is easier. Overwhelming wall hues can make a room look smaller. Too many metallic hues add a glare in the room, so use these hues sparingly as well. If you aren't sure how to create the look you want, you can check out inspiration photos on Pinterest or visit your local Hobby Lobby to find items like stencils, glitter paint, and fabric that will make your design one of a kind.